Boosting energy levels can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle changes, self-care practices, and natural energy boosters. Here are some tips to help you increase your energy. Lifestyle changes. 1. Get moving. Regular exercise can increase energy levels and reduce fatigue. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day. 2. Improve sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help your body and mind recharge. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to avoid dehydration and fatigue. Self-care practices. 1. Meditate. Regular meditation can help reduce stress and increase energy levels. Start with short sessions, 5-10 minutes, and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the practice. 2. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing can help reduce stress and increase oxygen flow to the body. 3. Take breaks. Take short breaks throughout the day to stretch, move your body, and rest your mind. 4. Get some fresh air asterisk. Spend time outside, and take advantage of natural sunlight and fresh air. Natural energy boosters. 1. Sunlight. Exposure to natural sunlight can help regulate your circadian rhythms and increase energy levels. 2. Music. Listen to music that uplifts and energizes you. 3. Aromatherapy. Certain scents like peppermint, eucalyptus, and rosemary can be invigorating and help increase energy. 4. Herbal teas. Try herbal teas like green tea, yerba mate, or ginseng to get a natural energy boost. Supplements and vitamins. 1. Vitamin D asterisk. Maintain adequate vitamin D levels, especially during winter months or if you have limited sun exposure. 2. Iron. Ensure you're getting enough iron through your diet or supplements, especially if you're experiencing fatigue or weakness. 3. B vitamins. B vitamins, especially B12, play a crucial role in energy production. Consider taking a B complex supplement if you're deficient. 4. Adaptogenic herbs. Herbs like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and maca can help your body adapt to stress and increase energy levels. Additional tips. 1. Limit caffeine and sugar. While caffeine and sugar may provide temporary energy boosts, they can lead to energy crashes and decreased energy levels in the long run. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to fatigue and decreased energy. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. 3. Get enough protein. Protein is essential for energy production. Ensure you're getting enough protein through your diet or supplements. Remember, it may take some time to notice the effects of these energy-boosting tips. Be patient, and don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing persistent fatigue or energy crashes.